Today we're at the cleaning show in London. There are thousands of industry experts gathered here to talk about the latest products, give seminars on the latest news in the industry, and network and meet friends. We're going to be asking all of the industry experts what is their number one tip to grow a successful cleaning business. Come on, let's go and ask them. What is your number one tip for growing a successful cleaning business?
I think for the cleaning industry or cleaning businesses at large, one of the crucial issues is persistence.
Yes.
That is, don't give up, keep trying. And I think that by and large, the history has shown us that if you are still in business after 2 years, then the chances are that you've got a successful formula. But getting to that 2-year point is crucial.
Yep.
The other thing I think which I say to most people who are looking to start a business is you will go into a business with a limited amount of resources, use them very wisely. And for us, one of the criteria that we always feel is that training and development money is never wasted. If you've got to spend your money, make sure that people are best suited to do their job, they're trained, they're competent, and they're very much able to do the jobs which are put in front of them.
Scott, what is your number one tip for growing a cleaning business?
Provide a quality service first time for all your customers.
Perfect, thank you. So thank you so much for joining us.
Very welcome.
What is your number one tip for growing a successful cleaning business?
Well, I think the number one tip I would have is know your marketplace.
Yeah.
You've actually got to know what you're trying to do and how you're going to actually get to the pinnacle as it is. I mean, anybody can start up a business and just think, right, I've got an idea, this is tremendous, but you've got to know who's going to buy, who's looking for that, where's the demand coming from, how you're going to finance it, whatever. So it's
how do you start to know your marketplace? Where should people start?
well, there's things like the cleaning show. You come to the cleaning show, you talk to the people here. This is a fabulous centre to network. But as well as that, knowing local demand, going in, talking in local supermarkets or in the local shops, cinemas, all those sort of places where you can start to see where people are starting to congregate. Talk to them, what do they need, what's missing in that location or around, and then start to formulate your business plan and put that together.
Ask the right questions, speak to the right people.
Well, you actually have to, because people buy from people.
Yeah.
They don't buy for, I know a lot of people buy online and out of magazines and all that sort of
But
stuff.
it's still a trust factor. Who do you like and who do you want to...
And very much so in the cleaning industry, really. Once you get a good cleaner, once you get people in that you trust coming in, you know, they're not going to take anything they shouldn't be taking or take liberties at not turning up at the right times, whatever. Yeah. Once you get somebody into that position to trust the cleaning industry, you're relying on, because it's your washroom, it's your bathrooms, it's for your employees, it could be mum and dad for, if it was a domestic thing, and it's really about building that trust and keeping that trust.
Thank you so much. So really build trust with the people that you're going to start selling to.
So my number one tip for growing a successful cleaning business is that when you're looking to go to business with someone, look for more than someone that's just a supplier of equipment. You really want to be partnering with somebody that can offer you consultancy, discuss your processes with them to make you more productive as a cleaning contractor, and also the most important part is always the service backup that they can provide to you.
Yeah,
so that would be my number one tip.
Thank you so much, that's brilliant.
Thank you very much.
So thank you so much for joining us, Michelle. What is your number one tip for growing and sustaining a successful cleaning business?
So we would say at BICS that it may appear expensive to train your teams, but how expensive could it be if you don't?
Yeah, amazing point. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
What is your number one tip for growing a successful cleaning business?
So my number one tip would be try not to sell on price. Definitely go for service and quality every single time.
And what's the problem on price?
If you sell on price, then you're just always going to eventually get outdone by somebody, and what you'll end up doing is you'll lose the market and you'll end up having a race to the bottom.
Perfect. So instead you want to sell yourself on
you want to sell on quality, and you want to sell on service.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No problem.
Mike, what is your #1 tip for growing a cleaning business?
Well, I think you've got to have integrity at the front of anything you do. And when you do that, you grow businesses.
Perfect. Integrity. Thank you, Mike. So with your 33 years of experience, what is the #1 tip you'd give to someone if they wanted to work in the cleaning industry?
Be enthusiastic about what you do.
Amazing. And we can tell you are. You've just been explaining all the products to us and we're excited to test them out.
All the soaps, and know your knowledge. Like, know the knowledge about what you produce, what chemicals are there, what type of bottles you have, and be enthusiastic about the people you work with.
Amazing advice. Thank you so much for your time.
No worries.
Delia, thank you so much for joining us. So what is your #1 tip for growing and sustaining a successful cleaning business?
Well, without hesitation, training and education.
Yeah.
If you're going to grow a cleaning business, you have to know what you're doing, and you have to realise that cleaning is the application of scientific knowledge. It doesn't matter whether you're cleaning the toilet or sweeping the chimney, there is elements of science. So by training and educating the people that are doing it to do it correctly, safely for themselves and the environment, they're a long way towards having a successful business.
We have had an amazing day at the cleaning show, meeting the industry experts and asking them how to grow a successful cleaning business. Now, my tip to grow a successful cleaning business is care about your customers. Whether you're going into someone's house, cleaning a big office block, or even a huge hospital, the people that you're servicing care about the work you do. You're giving them peace of mind, you're making them walk into a beautifully clean and safe environment. So what you're doing is so important. So put the customers at the heart of everything you do. Now, as you can see from all these industry experts, there isn't one way to grow a cleaning business. There isn't one quick fix, but all of these little tips put together grow an amazing business. Have integrity, be enthusiastic, train your staff, make sure that every person you service you care about. All them things combined can help you grow an amazing cleaning business. That's me back home after the cleaning show. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It allows other people to find it and it makes me really happy. And if you can't wait and want more tips on how to grow your cleaning business, then join our Facebook group. We have over 1,000 cleaning business owners in the group, swapping tips on what's working and what isn't to help each other grow a better business. It's an amazing community and I'd love you to be a part of it. The link to join this Facebook group is below this video. Make sure you join and I can't wait to see you there. Have a great day.